How to add a calendar in Godaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a calendar to your Godaddy website. This calendar is going to be a scheduling or a booking calendar, and it is going to be integrated within your website. So we're going to head over godaddy.com, and then we're going to head over our account by selecting my product. Once you have did that, what we're going to do is to select the website that we want to add this option to. Basically, it is going to be related within the booking system. We're going to click on or select the website. And from here, we're going to have our website dashboard. Now, on the website dashboard, we're going to focus only on this part because it is going to be the most important thing to uh, access the website builder. Click on Edit Website, and from here, we're going to see the website editor showing up. Now, what I am going to do is to add appointments. So we are going to click on add the appointments, and it is going to be installing it. So this is the first thing. Now, when you have finished adding the appointment, you're going to have the servicing in here. So you can add the service like that, for example, manually, and also you can have some automatic services that you're going to have in here. So I'm going to save these, and here we have it. So as you can see, we have at least saved one service. If you're going to let the client click on book, it is going to show them the calendar. You can also set up the availability, as you can see, or update it, and it is going to take you to another page. For example, I'm going to let you see here how to set up the availability, and also you can view the calendar. So this is the calendar that you're going to have. So we are going to wait for a few seconds. This is the settings for the availability, and this is going to be the online appointments. So in here, you need to set up your availability, and also you're going to wait for the appointments to load up. Now, aside from those, as you can see, I'm going to head over here, and I can go ahead and add another section, which is going to be a calendar. So I'm going to click on add section, and then we're going to head over to scheduling. You're going to find calendar. We're going to click on add the calendar, and it is going to be something not dependent on the booking, but it is going to be fully independent, but only on the titles or the events. And it is going to be something like this. So you're going to have here the events, and it is going to have the calendar URL. So I'm going to copy and paste that calendar, so you can go ahead and display the calendar and show you how. So I'm not going to do that. So we're going to have the layout. It is going to be a simple layout. Now I'm going to open up the calendar that we have. It's going to be based on the email, as you can see, and you are going to put it in here. And for the events, you can go ahead and control the events by heading over your account and setting up the events from the calendar itself. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.